Sadly, the equation has been erased here. Let's see if we can figure out what that equation should be. It's helpful to put in a baseline, makes some things easier to see, so I'll put that in. You can see that first wave ends here, goes up, and then all the way back down and ends there. So it took 120 to complete the first wave. The period is 120, so we're going quicker than normal. 360 would be normal, divided by 120 is 3. We went 3 times as fast. So our equation is going to be sine of 3x, because 3 times as fast, plus 5 for the baseline, and that just leaves the amplitude. That distance from the middle to the top is 1, so I could write a 1 here, or I could just leave it blank. Oops, check, see if we got it right. Looks like we got it right. For the second one, again, I'm going to draw a little baseline in here. So that baseline, or that middle, is at -5. That first wave gets completed, not here, that's half a wave, but right here. So the period was 720. Normal period is 360, so we're going more slowly. If I divide those, we're going half as fast. So the equation is going to be sine of 1/2 x, this time to slow things down, minus 5 for my baseline, and that leaves the amplitude. The distance from the middle to the top is 1, 2, 3 units. And there we go. Oop, forgot to check again, make sure we got this right. Looks like we got it. Last example, we're asked to sketch this. To me, I'm going to start out by drawing a baseline and drawing the, oops, I almost messed up though. The thing to note here is that amplitude is a -3 here, so it's going to be a flipped sign. Instead of starting like this, it's going to start like that. So I got my baseline. A flipped sine wave is going to look like this. It's going to start here at 0. I need to pay attention to this. We're going 4 times as fast. So 360 divided by 4 is 90. That first wave is going to end at 90 instead of 360. The baseline is 1. So if I draw my y-axis in here, that middle is going to be at 1. It's 3 units for the amplitude. So 4 here, and 3 units down would be -2 there. So distance from the middle to the bottom is 3, and the distance from the middle to the top is 3. And then I just need to draw on my y-axis. The y-axis would be right there. This is 1, then this is 0. And we're all set. We got the graph. Oops, that's not an y-axis, that's an x-axis. There we go.